Ever wondered how people grow their money without working? That answer lies in the stock market, where your money can work for you. But how does it actually work? Don't worry, no confusing jargon here. In this video, we'll explain the stock market in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is like a giant marketplace, but instead of fruits or clothes, people buy and sell shares of companies. A share is a tiny piece of a company. So when you buy a share of Apple, Amazon, or Tesla, you actually own a small part of that company. Part 2. Why do companies sell shares? Companies need money to grow for building new products, opening new offices, or hiring people. Instead of taking loans, many companies sell shares to the public to raise money. In return, you become a shareholder. And if the company does well, your investment grows too. Part 3. How do you make money? So, how do you make money from stocks? There are two main ways. 1. Share price goes up. You buy a stock at $100, it rises to $150, and you sell it. You make $50 profit. 2. Dividends. Some companies share profits by giving cash to shareholders every quarter. Part 4. Who buys and sells stocks? Stocks are bought and sold through platforms called stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. You don't have to go there. You can use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or E-Trade. Risks and rewards. Investing in the stock market can grow your money over time, but it's not risk-free. Prices go up and down daily. That's why smart investors do research and think long-term. Don't just follow hype, understand what you're buying. Conclusion plus tips. The stock market is a place to buy shares of companies. You can make money through price growth and dividends. You need to invest smartly and think long-term. Want to start investing? Start small, learn daily, and stay consistent. Hit that subscribe button for more clear investing guides.